How to change your email on Pinterest. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your email on Pinterest. So first thing we do is we go to Pinterest, and after that we go to profile and click on those three dots here and click on settings, the first option. And after that, this is the most important part. Click on the third option that said account management, and after that click on email and change your email here, and then click done and go to your email to confirm it. That's it for today's video guys. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like to help me, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much.